fourth principle of visual imagery has to do with the way that they're mentally transformed, flipped, rotated, what have you. It states that imagined transformations and physical transformations exhibit corresponding dynamic characteristics and governed by the same laws. And we saw that with respect to Shepard and Metzler's rotated polygons, which I always thought was such a clever experiment, that I'm rotating these things from left to right. Are they the same figure? And in A and B they are, in C they are not. And that involves the same process that would be involved as though we were actually holding those things and comparing them. And it takes longer to make a yes or no decision depending on what sort of rotation I must engage in, how long or how much of a rotation I have to do in terms of degrees. So it appears to be a rather basic idea on its face, but of course until the Shepard and Metzler experiment we did not know that, and they came up with very linear evidence. So for instance, here, and this is right from your book of course, here is that graph that shows that the more I have to rotate, the longer it takes to render a decision. Pretty concrete evidence, I guess you could say, really strong evidence for that. And it's one of those foundational experiments in all of cognitive